Hi. Today in this video, I will show you how to set up Google Ads offline conversion tagging for free. Here you can see my Google Ads offline conversion tagging data. And first, you need to set up your time zone here. Then you can see Google Click ID, and this is a fake Google Click ID for testing. Then conversion name, and this is the conversion name. Then has parameter like first name, last name, email, and phone number for enhanced conversion tagging to upload Google Ads. Then conversion value, and here you can customize it. Then conversion currency, and you can change it. Then conversion time, add user data, add personalization data, then first name, last name, email, and phone number. This is a raw data for checking your lead. Okay. So now today I'll show you how to set up this type of tagging. So first I need to remove this one. Okay. So now let's go on Google Tag Manager. Now I need to go new tag, then select custom HTML, this one. And now I need to go my code. Here is this. And now copy. Okay. Now paste here. This code automatically collect the Google Click ID. Okay. So now select the trigger all paste and name Google Click ID tag. Okay, it's done. Now I need to again select new for again custom HTML for next code. Now again go my code, and this is a user data code, and just copy. Okay, and paste here. Okay, this code will collect conversion name, first name, last name, email, and phone number. Okay. Also here you can see conversion value, currency, time. So now let's select the, okay, it will be a lead ticker. Okay. So go let's, where is the data tag? Okay. So it's done now. Okay. I need to go my sheet again here. Now click extension, then app script. Here I need to add a code. Okay. Here already have. So now I need to remove this one and copy my this code. Okay, and paste here. Okay. Here you need to change your like Google Sheet link, this one, then add change also the sheet name. That's it. Don't need to do anything. Okay. So now I need to click here, new, and okay. Here you can add any description like name, or if you want, add or nothing. Okay. And select here anyone, then click deploy. Okay. Here you need to copy this link. Okay, it's done. Now I need to go Google Tag Manager. Here I need to go this tag, and I need to change the link which I already copy. Okay, this link. Just first remove, okay, and paste here. That's it. Now save. Okay. So now I will go preview. Okay. Okay, this is my form. So I will use fake GCL click ID for testing. Okay. Okay. Now submit the lead. Okay. It's successfully fired. Now let's check. And here you can see the fake Google Click ID, also conversion name, and you can see my hash parameter like first name, last name, email, and phone number. Then here you can customize the value like before upload on Google Ads. Then coin my currency and conversion time. Then here you can check your lead raw data. Okay, so now I will show you how to upload this data on Google Ads. Okay, so for that, first I need to remove the raw data. Okay, that's it. Now I will go Google Ads, upload here. Then I need to select Google Sheet. Okay, so first you need to give editor access to your Google Sheet on this mail. Okay, so here you can see I already added, so I don't need again to add. Just I will click link, then this is my sheet. Okay, I'll select and click insert. Now click preview. Here you can see if have any error on your Google Sheet, then you can see here. Okay, so now let's check. Okay, so it's showing a one error, and that is the GSL ID. Because my GSL ID, you have seen that it's a fake GSL ID. That's why it's showing the error. Okay, so when you work on your Google Ads, then it will collect the real GSL ID. That's time it will showing everything successfully. Okay, that's it. Thank you. And if you want to set up this type of tracking, then you can contact me.